So I'm out tuning an antenna this evening. I've got my laptop like this so the grass doesn't get sucked up into the fans. Use the Nano VNA, but I use the software. This is the antenna. The end of it's quite low to the ground, but I've had it up slightly when I was tuning, up onto the solar beams, 10 meter pole, and on 40, top of the band, no SWR. Go all the way down to CW. Oh, too far. Can't hear anyone, so I'm not intervening. There you go, it's quite wide on the band. Just check the middle, because sometimes antennas can be a little funny. I'd say that was a middle between them two frequencies-ish. Yeah, no SWR. And then with 40, usually they're semi-okay on 20. Just check that. Yeah, it's not too bad. Hardly anything. Just go up to the top of what we can use in the UK. About there. Nothing. And then I'll check the bottom of the 20 meter band. CW. Can't hear anything. Yeah, just goes up to a little bit of a 3, but it's not extremely high. I'd be using from around maybe 120 and up anywhere for SSB. Yeah, that's okay. Considering it's cut for 40. It works on 20. 17. High. Yeah, I only use 40 and 20 really anyway. So that's not too bad. Yeah. Now I'll go home and solder the ends correctly and heat shrink a clip on the end of that so it can just clip on. Nice.